Hey there, midlife mom. Are you feeling like you're walking on eggshells around your adult children? Or maybe you're struggling with that midlife health challenge that nobody warned us about. Or even asking the question, that big question, who am I? I've been there too. That is why I have created the Graceful Midlife Mom Conference. It's all virtual and it's happening May 7th through May 11th. For 5 transformative days, you're going to hear from 28 expert speakers. And on Mother's Day, I'm going to give you the gift of 12 bonus speakers on everything from rebuilding relationships to managing those hormone changes, finding purpose after the empty nest, and creating a life that finally answers those hard questions. We're going to be addressing health and wellness, functional medicine, metabolic health, breast cancer, hormonal balance, sleep, and even stress management. We're going to talk about relationships, improving relationships with your adult children, in-laws, spouses, and friends, addressing estrangement and divorce. Then personal growth, finding your purpose, navigating career changes, and the empty nest. It's time for self-discovery. This isn't just another online event. It's a lifeline for those of us who are navigating through these choppy waters in midlife and motherhood. Grab your free seat, or you can upgrade to a VIP access and start watching these influential speakers that can only be found here. With a VIP, you're going to get unlimited access to all the speakers, additional gifts, and prizes. These are conversations that we desperately need to have, but we rarely do. I know what it feels like to feel like you're alone in these experiences. But here is your chance to see a community of women ready for new possibilities. It's time to stop feeling rejected, overwhelmed, and worn out, and start feeling your joy again. Let's reclaim your peace and happiness. I will see you there.